The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is incredibly easy to use. The plug-in bases fit into any standard outlet, and the refill cartridges are simple to insert and replace. No complicated setup or maintenance is required, which is a huge plus. This product is highly effective at capturing and eliminating flying insects. Within just a few days of use, I noticed a significant reduction in the number of flies and fruit flies in my home. The trap uses blue and ultraviolet light to attract insects, and once they come close, they get stuck on the adhesive backing. The sleek and compact design of the Zevo traps is another great feature. They blend seamlessly into any room without being an eyesore. The discreet design means you can place them in kitchens, living rooms, or any other area without drawing attention. One of the standout features of the Zevo Flying Insect Trap is its safety. Since it doesn't use chemical insecticides, it's safe to use around children and pets. This is a significant advantage for households looking for a non-toxic solution to insect problems. The package comes with 2 plug-in bases and 2 refill cartridges, offering excellent value for money. Each refill cartridge lasts up to 30 days, making it a cost-effective option for continuous insect control. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. It's user-friendly, effective, and safe, providing a hassle-free solution to flying insect problems. If you're looking for a reliable and non-toxic way to keep your home free of flies and fruit flies, I highly recommend the Zevo Flying Insect Trap.